While driving this car, the engine of the Mitsubishi diesel engine stopped suddenly. It was towed because the car's engine was not running, so you can find out the problem in the video. Watch the video. Why is the car braking but the engine does not start? Now I will show whether the car engine can be started, but see if the car engine does not start. When you turn the key, the car cranks, but the engine will not start. This may be because the engine is not getting fuel. A possible cause of this could be dirty fuel injectors. I will remove the intercooler to check for what problem the car engine does not start. I will check the battery charging voltage to see if there is a battery problem. Battery charging voltage 100% good and pass. You pump and see if the diesel pressure is okay. Diesel comes on but engine does not start. Diesel pressure increased but injection fuel pump is leaking diesel. Engine does not start due to leaking fuel. Engine does not start due to leaking fuel pump solenoid valve O-ring. I will remove the fuel pump timer control valve solenoid. Solenoid O-ring is damaged and replace the O-ring. Solenoid valve has 2 wires, is cut, repair for joent the wire. I will repair and joining the 2 wire. If the solenoid valve wire is cut and separated, repair it properly and joint well. Close its joints well with the tube. Join the 2 wires in a good way. Reinstall the fuel pump timer control valve solenoid. Complete install the valve solenoid sensor. I press the fuel filter again to see if the diesel leaks. The fuel pump is no longer leaking diesel. I will try to start the car engine. Start the car engine, problem solved. Starting the engine, bleeding the air above the diesel fuel injector nozzle, the engine running will be fine. Start the car engine, problem solved. No more problems now.
Pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.